All right, welcome back to our next episode of Uncut Phinatics. Sorry, I'm on the wrong show. We have too many episodes going on right now. Today I've got Allie Stockton. She is the Supervisor of Security Services over at Vnet, and we're super excited to hear what she has to say about Phin. How are you doing today, Allie?
I'm great, thanks.
Yeah, super excited. We were just at y'all's event a few weeks ago, and it went really great. So you guys do cool things over there.
Yeah, we are an ever growing and ever changing MSP and always looking to kind of expand ourselves not only in the northwest part of Pennsylvania where we're located, but all over the country.
Absolutely. Well, you guys are newer partners with Finn, so we're excited to hear how things have been so far. The first question, as always, what challenges have you faced with Finn, whether that's with the team, service, or product?
The biggest challenge that we've had has been most recently. As we've been onboarding, we did a little bit of our smaller customers first to kind of get an idea of how the platform was going to work for us. The challenge that we've had is with our schools. So we have a massive university that we cover. So looking at student licenses versus faculty and staff has been a little bit of a learning curve for us and for Finn, because I think we've been a little bit of a bigger customer than maybe kind of how you guys have had it before, but the support has been wonderful. We've been able to get on calls with engineers, we've had tickets open, and everyone has been able to interact and give us the answers that we need, or if they don't have them, they're more than willing to reach out to someone else. So it's been a very good partnership between us and Finn to get the solutions that we need.
Awesome. Anything else you want to add there for the challenges question? Or is that basically it?
No, that's really it. I mean,
Cool.
the onboarding process is unbelievably easy, which is a huge part of why Finn has been such a standout product to us. The first time that I met Connor and he promised the onboarding process would be 10 minutes, I told him, "There's absolutely no way, you're lying." And he's like, "No, I promise you. Like, we all promise you it'll be an easy process." And he definitely delivered on that promise.
Awesome. So you kind of dived into the second question already a little bit, but why did you choose Finn over other options? Sounds like onboarding was a little bit of it.
Onboarding was a little bit of it. The automated reporting was a huge part of it. There's no point in sending out any sort of simulated phishing or training if you're not addressing the issues with the users. The users are your weak point. So if you're just allowing the same person to constantly click on links, constantly give out their credentials, but you're not giving that information to anyone to address it, then you're not really doing anything. So I did not have the manpower or the time to be able to manually run all these reports to send them out to all of our customers. So Finn goes above and beyond that for the reporting. But the other really big part is the information is relevant, it's new, it's changing. You can't have information that's 6, 10 months old, let alone even a year old, because we're already past that point. So the fact that it's new, it's exciting, it entertains the end user is really our selling point.
Absolutely. Awesome. Thank you. Since your time at Finn, I know it hasn't been too long, and we've talked about a few of these things already. How has Finn made your life easier, your team's life easier, as a security awareness tool?
Finn does all the work for us, which if my life can be easier, that is all that I am for. But it is a set it and forget it product. We get everything set up. We set up the campaigns. We set up the simulated training, all of it, and it just goes. There's been times where we've kind of spot checked to make sure that reports are going and that people are getting the emails that they should be, and they are. So it's a peace of mind to me that I can trust the products that we're putting out there.
Absolutely. You mentioned this earlier, but the fourth question is how would you describe your onboarding experience at Finn?
Easy. That's the best word I can use for it. It's been
Cool.
easy, it's clean. I trust everything. It's step by step. You really can't even mess it up because it just goes down the list, gives you a green check mark, and says you're good to go.
That's what I like to hear. And the final question, we kind of rolled through these. It's just been fun. Any features, updates, or changes are you excited about or looking for in Finn? Are you looking for anything for us to build, or have you guys requested anything you're excited about?
The biggest thing that we've requested, and it goes back to the large schools that we have, is that we need to be able to sleep all or select all when it comes to groups. Instead of, we have one university, like I said, that has over 5,000 groups. So to try to sort through that and sleep them all is a manual process. But again, we know that's an exception to the rule, so that's the biggest thing that we've requested recently.
Cool. And how have you felt during the process of going through our feature requests and that type of support requests like that? How's that
Again,
process
everything's
been?
been great. I wish I could say there's things that I wish you would work on, but your team has been so awesome in helping us that I really feel like you're an extension of my security team, because everyone is quick to answer and always gets me an answer, even if it's not the answer that I want. Not that I've really had those, but again, it all feels like we're all working together in this.
Awesome. Is there anything else you want to add or say before we wrap up?
I 100%, again, like I said earlier, told Connor, there's no way your product works as well as it does. I 100% ate my words. I am a huge advocate of Phin. I'm so glad we made this transition, and it's the best decision that we made for our company and for our customers.
Well, awesome. Well, thank you for coming on today. This was extremely helpful, and you have a lot of kind words to say, and I'm glad our team's working through the things that you guys need. And yeah, we'll be in touch soon. Thank you so much for being on, Allie.
Great, thank you.